Today is a particularly calm day on FOB Airborne for the men of 1st Squadron 13th Cavalry Regiment's Counter-IED Platoon. Meet PFC Corey Cox, currently deployed in eastern Afghanistan with the 3rd Infantry Brigade Combat Team, 1st Armored Division. Cox is a 19-year-old Cav Scout from Houston, Texas, and graduate of Kingwood High 2010. With less than a year in the Army, this warhorse soldier is already impressing his comrades under fire. The men of Acid Platoon act as EOD's escort and quick reaction force to friendlies in contact. Cox and the men of his gun truck relive one recent act of bravery under fire, where Cox says he was just doing his job.
I turned, said, what are you doing? He said, hey, these guys aren't shooting, they're out of ammo, I'm gonna take them some ammo. I said, all right, well, you stay low and run.
The next thing I heard was the door open, and he was gone. He took a truck that couldn't shoot back a can of ammo, and I returned fire for a couple more seconds. Maybe about a minute went by, he got back in the truck, and he was gasping out of breath, and he was actually laughing about it.
Once I jumped out of the truck with that ammo can, all everybody saw was just rounds impacting around me as I was running to that downed truck who needed ammo. And I threw them the ammo can, ran back to the truck, seeing sniper fire and hearing it land around me, just doing my best to dodge it as I ran back to the armored vehicle.
He did, he beat feet. He was back in the truck in about 30 seconds. But he took ammo over to him, and not 30 seconds after he got back in the truck, that 50 started rocking back up the hill because they knew where the fire was coming from better than we did.
Hurry up and run. After the fact, it was wow. That really just happened.
Army Sergeant Aaron Brady, FOB Airborne, Afghanistan.